20 students from 14 to 50. So it's arranged already. No need for you to arrange it because it's from least to greatest, right? So that's the first thing that you have to do. In case it's not arranged from least to greatest, you have to arrange first before you begin solving. Sige, number 1, find the following. What is P20? What is percentile 20? Anyone who solved it? What is percentile 20? May nag-solve? Wala. Sige nga, chat it. Yes, thank you, Diana. 4.2. 4.2 is the position. But your answer is 19. Tama ba? 19, yes. So, thank you for your answers. P20. So, percentile 20. So, this is 20 over 100. It's over 100 because it's percentile. Times n plus 1, we know that there are 20. So, your n is 20. Kaya plus 1, so times 21. So, this is the same as 2 over 10. It's 1/5, right? 1/5. So, 21 over 5, calculator. The answer is 4.2 ba? So, 4.2. So, you have to consider the 4th and the 5th place. So, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and so on. Consider the 4th and 5th. So, between 18 and 20, there's 19. 18, 19, 20. Or if you want to add, 18 plus 20, that's 38 divided by 2, so 19. Your answer for P20 is 19. Now, what about quartile 3? Who has answer? Please chat. What is quartile 3? Yes, thank you. That's the, okay, 41.5 daw, 43.5. Which one? 43.5, majority. Let's see. So, quartile 3, that's 3 over 4, right? Kasi pag quartile, Jonas, it's over 4. Times 21 again. So, 3 times 21, that's 63 divided by 4. 63 divided by 4, what's the answer? What is 63 divided by 4? Use your calculator, please. 63 divided by 4, what's the answer? Yes, Diana?
15.75.
Come again.
15.75 po.
15.75. So there is decimal point. We have to consider 15th and 16th. Let's continue numbering this. 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait, ang daming nakaharang. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that's one technique. Also, you have to number your scores or the given para kita nyo. So 15.75, therefore we have to consider 15th and 16th. Ito yon. 15th and 16th. So between 43 and 44, it's 43.5, right? So those who answered 43.5, it's correct. 43.5 is the answer for quartile 3. And last, decile 8. What is decile 8? Yes, I can see 44.5 here. Thank you for your answers. 24 ba? 44.5, 24. May sagot na 24, but majority 44.5. So, let's solve it. Let me erase na itong iba dito. Asan yung eraser ko? So, erase na natin itong part na to. Is it 44.5 or 24? May iba pa bang sagot? Okay. I-mark ko lang ulit to for 43.5. Okay, last is decile 8. So, it's decile, kaya 8 over 10 times 21. So 8 over 10, it's the same as divide by 2, it's 4/5, no? 4 times 21, that's 84 divided by 5. What is 84 divided by 5? Diana ulit. 84 divided by 5.
44.
Come again.
Ay, 16.8, miss.
16.8. 16.8. So there's decimal again, kaya we have to consider 16th and 17th position. Ito yon, di ba? Between 44 and 45, that's 44.5. That's why decile 8 is 44.5. Okay, those who answered 44.5, it's correct. So 3 points for number 1. Very good, those who got it correct. Now, how many students are below the 5th decile? We still need to compute for the 5th decile, and 5th decile is like median, right? Yung half. If there are 20 scores, ano yung half niya? So, it's between 10 and 11. Tama ba? Hindi na natin kailangan mag-solve. Tama ba? Kasi whenever you see decile 5, quartile 2, what else? Percentile 50, those are all the same as median. So, let's see. Let me erase the boxes para mas maging clear. Let me erase this. No need to solve. Whenever you see those three, that's the same as median. And if it's easy to locate in the given, asan yung kalahati, then no need to solve. Ayan, naka-arrange naman. So, 10, 10, tama ba? So, exact. So, ang middle niya is 29 and 30. Between 29 and 30. Check. So, between 29 and 30 is 29.5. So, 29.5 is decile 5. Decile 5 natin yan, or the median. Now, ang tanong dito, how many students are below the 5th decile? Ilan ang students na below 29.5? So, ito lang, bilangin nyo lahat to. Kasi kung ang 29.5 ay between 29 and 30, so 29 belongs to the lower. Diba? To below the 5th decile. So, there are 10. Kaya ang sagot nyo sa number 2 dapat 10. So, 10 students. So, lahat ng may scores from 14 to 29 are all below the 5th decile. Did you get it? Naintindihan ba yon? So, the answer for number 2 is 10. It's not 29.5, it's only part of the computation for you to answer the question in number 2. Okay, got it? Did you get the same answer? May I see? Yes, yes. So 10, 10, 10. May sumagot ng 9, pero it should be 10 kasi your 5th decile is 29.5. It's between 29 and 30. Kaya 29 is considered. Now, how many students are above the 3rd quartile? So, you have to get first the 3rd quartile. So, what is quartile 3? It's 3/4 of 21. Nasagot na ba na? Yes, nasagot na natin kanina. 43.5. 43.5. So, nandito yon between this. Between 43 and 44. Kaya, if the question is, how many students are above, ilan? What is your answer? How many students are above 43.5? Jonas, please count. How many students are above the 3rd quartile? Ayan, tingnan nyo lang yung screen at bilangin.
5.
5 ba? Let's see. What are those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, check. So there are 5 students who are above the 3rd quartile. Next, what is the 2nd quartile of the upper 50th percentile? So, hindi na rin kailangan i-solve yan. It's about analysis and looking at the given. I-clear ko na muna ha. Nagkakagulo na yung ating... Erase ko lang to. Erase ko yun. Ito. Yung line. Ano pa? Ito. Let me erase para mas... Okay, let me erase the circle. Yan. So, let's analyze number 4. what is the second quartile of the upper 50th percentile? So, again, 50th percentile, it's the median. So, ito yung upper 50th percentile, right? Ito yung upper 50th percentile. Tapos, tinatanong, what is the second quartile of this upper 50th percentile? So, when we see second quartile, it's the same as median again, right? So, hanapin lang natin ano yung kalahati nito. From 1 to 10, ano yung kalahati? Between 5th and 6th. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ito yung kalahati. So, ano yung tanong? What is the second quartile of the upper 50th percentile? So, it's between 43 and 44, kaya 43.5 din yung sagot. 43.5. By the way, number 2 and number 3, students ang label nyo doon. 10 students, 5 students. Well, in number 4, it's the score, 43.5. Okay, nagets ba? That's number 4, 43.5. Did you get the same? See, yes, yes. Very good. Now, number 5. Si A score is 80th percentile while B score is the third quartile of the upper 50th percentile. So, that's math. Ganyan ang math eh. Nililito lang kayo. It's testing your analysis. Logical reasoning also. So, let's get the score of A's. It's P80. Yes. Na-solve. Hindi pa natin na-solve pala yun. Okay. Do you think P80 is the same as D8? 8/10? 80 over 100? Is it the same as 8 over 10? Do you agree? D8? Decile 8 ba? Para hindi na tayo magsasolve. Do you agree that P80 kasi 80th percentile is the same as D8? Thumbs up if it's a yes. Yes. Kasi look, 80 over 100, reduce to lowest term, cancel mo dalawang 0, it's 8 over 10. And we know that decile, it's 8 over 10 then. So, just get this. So, in number 1, we computed that decile 8 is 44.5. So, therefore, the score of Ace is 44.5. So, yan. Si Ace is 44.5. While si Bay is the third quartile of the upper 50th percentile. So, ang tingnan lang natin tong upper, yung upper 10, pang third quartile. So, we have to get the Q3 of this. So, what is Q3 of the upper? So, it's 3/4, right? 3/4 of 11. Kasi yung upper, there are 10 plus 1, kaya 3/4 of 11, that's 33 divided by 4. What's the answer? 33 divided by 4, that's 8.25. So, considering only the upper, so it's between 8 and 9 score. So, ito pang 10, ito pang 9, ito pang 8. So, between this. Kaya ang score ni Bay is 48, 49, di ba? Between 48 and 50, that's 49. So, ang score ni Bay is 49. Okay ba? Kaya, ang question, who got the higher score? Kaya, ang sagot nyo dito, si Bay.